SK77 says, what does following the heart mean? Stay silent or follow intuition? It's a very good question. So, initially what you have to do is just let go of all your thoughts and let life unfold for itself. Let life unfold on its own. It is going to unfold anyway. Because personal volition, personal choice, personal decision making were all concepts and ideas in the first place. Then you might find one day that there is a deeper qualitative voice that speaks. But when it speaks, it is accompanied by the presence of love and peace and joy. It is not accompanied by needing something, wanting to achieve something. You will sense many beings say that this is the voice of the heart. But don't confuse it with the physical heart, although it might be seeming to come from a deeper place. The mind can be a trickster and can try to convince us that this voice, it can try to play the part, play the role of the guru and the role of intuition. But once you are stabilized, you completely let go of the thought, you will find that a deeper voice speaks, which has no need. It is accompanied by love and peace and joy. This is not the same voice as the voice of the mind. Ultimately, of course, it's all the same thing. It is consciousness itself. But this voice, you can listen to them. In fact, this is the voice that speaks through satsang. It is this same voice which is using this mouth to speak. So have no expectation around any of what is said, because it can unfold in different ways. Some beings might hear it as a voice, for some it might come as a visual, for some it is just pure silence itself. So you will know qualitatively. Qualitatively, this voice will have a different sense of presence about it. That is intuition. But remember that ultimately, to you as awareness itself, it does not matter. Even this can be said does not matter. Once you have recognized that I am this pure seeing itself, then it does not matter whether even this pure voice is guiding this life or not. Because you as awareness are completely untouched by the content of this life. This life is nothing but a blink of an eyelid for you. You are the timeless one. So don't look for intuition, don't chase intuition. When you have let go of your personal mind, then intuition will arise on its own. So follow the heart for now only means let go of your thoughts and let life unfold on its own. Okay, thank you all so very much for joining us in Satsang today. Muji Ji ki Jai. Thank you, thank you, thank you.